Hi everyone, we're going to do listening today, unit 1.4. We're going to listen to someone talking about an experiment to find out if men's and women's brains wire differently, and you will be given a bike test with instructions to find out the differences. And then we will check our drawings to see if there is or there are any differences between men's and women's brains. But first of all, I should say that in the previous part on 1.3, there is this man talking again about a bike, and you should have drawn a bike on your own in the first listening. This is the second part of the listening. But before listening, we have to discuss, I have two questions for you to discuss. Do you think male and female brains are different, and how? And what are the stereotypes of men and women in Turkey? So if you just say your ideas about if you think that they are different from each other, you should tell your ideas. Okay. In this listening, you will see words that are related with the parts of the bicycle, but in the previous listening at 1.3, they are given to you, and you should have drawn those things on your papers. We have wheels, saddle, handlebar, chain, crossbar, and pedals. And as a visual, I have given you here a bike, showing you the words saddle, handlebar, wheels, crossbar, chain, and pedals, as you can see on the slide. Now we have the listening part. We'll start the listening part now. The presenter will give you some explanations, and you should be answering the questions. Here is the listening.
Unit 1, Recording 4, Part 3. Now count up the parts on your drawing. Did you include wheels, a handlebar, a saddle, a chain, a crossbar, pedals? Did your bike have at least 5 parts, and could it work? Now for the difference between the men's drawings of the bicycle and the women's. Female drawings often include a person riding the bike. Men's drawings don't usually include a person. This is a clear indication that women think people are important. Men, on the other hand, are more interested in getting the machine right. So how did you do? Is your brain male or female?
And now, after your listening, you're going to answer these questions. Okay. And the answers may vary for every student because our answers won't be the same according to your drawing. Look at your drawing and then see how many parts have you drawn and if you have a person on the bike or not. Now we're going to listen to the recording once more, and when you hear the recording, please fill in the blanks with the correct word you hear.
Unit 1, Recording 4, Part 3. Now count up the parts on your drawing. Did you include wheels, a handlebar, a saddle, a chain, a crossbar, pedals? Did your bike have at least 5 parts, and could it work? Now for the difference between the men's drawings of the bicycle and the women's. Female drawings often include a person riding the bike. Men's drawings don't usually include a person. This is a clear indication that women think people are important. Men, on the other hand, are more Unit 1, Recording 4, Part 3. Now count up the parts on your drawing. Did you include wheels, a handlebar, Female drawings often include a person riding the bike. Men's drawings don't usually include a person. This is a clear indication that women think people are important. Men, on the other hand, are more interested in getting the machine right. So how did you do? Is your brain male or female?
Now, you will fill in the blanks with the correct words you hear. Now, you have the answers on this slide. And after the listening, I want you to think about these 3 quotes I have given. Do you agree with the sentences below? Why or why not? A woman tells you what she feels. A man tells you what he thinks. Women think people are more important. Men, on the other hand, are more interested in getting the machine right. Women think talking is a way to connect. Men see it as an opportunity to be helpful and figure things out. Please think about these statements and give your opinions. And if you want to do more practice, you can just refer to my English Lab, Speak Out Intermediate, or Unit 1 BBC interviews. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe.